Everyone talks about the same AI apps, but these free AI tools deserve way more attention. First, Perplexity AI, perfect for fast research and fact-based answers with sources. Second, Leonardo AI, amazing for generating high-quality images and design concepts. Third, Notion AI, great for writing, summarizing notes, and organizing ideas. Fourth, Gamma, creates presentations and slides in seconds. Fifth, ElevenLabs, realistic AI voices for videos and voiceovers. Sixth, Runway, powerful for video editing and AI effects. Seventh, Canva's AI tools, easy content creation for social media. These tools can save time, boost creativity, and even help you make money online, all for free. Which one are you trying first?